Hello guys, welcome to Technical Bliss. Please like and subscribe if any of this is helpful. Today we're going to be installing this Geissele SDE on this Dengue Defense during your blackout PDW. So we're going to do a quick safety check. First let's drop this mag. Yeah, it's nothing in it. And make sure it's clear. Actually, let's see what this current trigger is pulling up. See if we can get this to cooperate with the camera. It's just starting to move. Well, that was at 8 pounds. Let's do one more. Try to get it closer to the bottom this time. It's just starting to creep. There it is. Almost 7.5. Okay, so this, let's take off these, separate the upper and the lower. Push these two pins out. There we go. Put the upper on the side. So first, we'll remove these pins. So we'll pop right out. So you remember the orientation of that. Then this should pop right out. And we'll do the same for the trigger. Put these pins on the side because we won't want to mix them up with the ones that came with the new trigger. Should be able to just maneuver this safety to pull this off. There it is. So this has a slave pin, some oil, instructions. Just a trigger. We're going to all this as we go. There's a lot of points in the back of the instructions about where to oil this. So I'm going to pull this one out. Replace it with this slave pin. And while we're at it, drop some oil. And we have to angle the trigger into this housing. Then we push down on this spring, so as you can see, the line the spring up the hose. Make sure it's flush. Then we'll reuse this slave pen once again for the hammer. And we also have some oil points on this one as well. All right. Then all the bores. Q-tips. Slave pen. After installing this slave pen into the hammer, I turned on a light in the camera so we can see the trigger pin go through each side. And so this spring needs to sit on each side of that trigger pin. But this is like one of the more tougher parts because it's under a lot of spring tension. Let's see what would be a good angle to show this. Oops. Close to right. Close to the spot. Then want to make sure this is flush. So it's flush on both sides. We'll also put it on safe and see if we pull it, but nothing happens. Good. There are a few more points to oil it. Here's pretty much all the friction points. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Once we oil all the points, we can put our upper back on. Pins in place. Then we can on safe to make sure it doesn't fire. Nothing. Took it off safe. It's a much better tool. See the reset. Let's test to see where this is actually pulling compared to before. Check up. Break. Right under 3 pounds. Let's do it one more time. Do it a bit slower. Take up. Again. At about 3 pounds. That is pretty cool. That would be it for this video. Please again, like and subscribe if this was helpful. Leave comments below. Thanks for watching.